Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. I have been getting a lot of requests to show the recipe of Bheja Fry. So let's see how to make the street style Bheja Fry today. For this, I'm going to heat a kadhai. The kadhai is hot. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil and wait for the oil to heat up. The oil is hot. I'm going to fry 4 medium-sized onions that I have finely chopped. I want to fasten the process of browning the onions, so I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt to it. I want the onions to have a beautiful brown caramelized look. The onions have got a lovely brown golden color. So now let's add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, and I'm just going to saute this till the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. Now let's add the dry spices. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of red chilli powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a teaspoon of coriander seed powder. We've already added salt to this, so we won't add any more salt. I've got about 4 green chilies, which I'm going to add as well. And I'm just going to mix this well. We don't want our spices to get burnt. So here I have 4 lamb brains or bheja, which I simply cleaned, applied a little turmeric, and I boiled it till it was done, which took not more than 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and I have chopped them into 1-inch pieces. I'm going to add this. Mix this gently because the brain or the bheja generally tends to crumble a bit. Now let's add 1/2 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Mix it gently. And the Bheja Fry is almost ready. Let's shut the flame. Wait for 2 minutes. Let's squeeze in the lemon juice. Garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander. Mix it gently. And the Bheja Fry is ready to be served. Let's remove this in a serving platter. You can serve this delicious Bheja Fry with pav and a nice tangy onion tomato salad. So do try this recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.